record this. Wonderful. So, Ari, what happens to these words? They all have an E at the end, and we call that silent E, okay? La E al final se llama silent E porque no se oye, you can't hear it. And that happens to English a lot. There's going to be an E at the end and you don't hear it. En español, you have to sound every letter, pero en inglés, no. So plain, look, watch me. I'm going to cross this out because it's silent, but then this vowel is going to be long sound. What is the long sound? Just like the A when you say the ABC. That's A, okay? So that's going to say plain. So go ahead and read these words to me. Ready, set, go.
Plan.
No,
Plan.
plain. Remember, the A is going to sound like A.
Oh, I thought you were telling me to read
Yeah, to read like this one.
this.
Plain. Oh, no, that one is plain. Yeah. About,
Where were you?
so,
What the?
oh, I have an idea. Let's go to the other lesson that has the other, where am I? Oh, no, here they are. Okay. Here. So this word says plain. Can you read that word, Ari? Oh, Ari, don't draw any boxes, please. Delete that. Borra esas cajitas que escribiste. Okay, number one, plain. Number two.
Lane.
Very good. Number three.
Dane.
Dane. Number four.
Kane.
Beautiful. Number five.
Nanny.
No?
Well, I don't remember.
Okay, the E is
That's
silent.
number 4, not number 5. Never mind.
Yeah. Okay. So remember, the E is silent and we make this A long. So it's gonna be
none.
A. No.
Oh, it says none.
No. If you say if you say a sound, then it's this sound with a happy face. That's the short A, like like apple. I don't want that. I want the long one, the one that says A in the ABC. So that will be nane.
Yeah, name. Okay.
Okay, next, number 6.
Lane,
Train.
Dane, Kane, Nane,
7.
Crane, Chain,
Chain. Number 8.
Lane.
Lane. Good job. Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna read them from the bottom to the top, okay? Ready, set, and go.
Where was it? You said you were gonna send me the picture of the board.
Oh yeah, we are. Let's just do this real quickly. Say slain.
Slain, chain, crane, name, cane, stain, lane, plane.
And plain. Very good. Okay, now you're gonna read this sentence because we said that there's 2 words that sound the same. The plane and the other plane. Oops. Where do I go? Here. So we have this plane and this plane. Okay, Ari, so read this one first. Plane.
Airport.
Airplane.
Airplane, airplane.
From May
From May 9 to May 12, I will be going to Las Vegas on a plane.
Very good. The next one is this plane. My mom.
Oh.
The sound for AI is what? Come on, read them. You did it before. It's A. Ready, go. Brain.
A. Brain. Again. Brain. Blade. Plane. Snail. Tray. Quail.
Very good. And now we have the other AY sounds that makes it sound A.
Clay. Pues, say,
Very good. You got it. Excelente, excelente. You did it.